10.
10.
10.
Gestern, heute, morgen.
Yesterday, today, tomorrow.
Yesterday, today, tomorrow.
Gestern war Samstag.
Yesterday was Saturday.
Yesterday was Saturday.
Gestern war ich im Kino.
I was at the cinema yesterday.
I was at the cinema yesterday.
Der Film war interessant.
The film was interesting.
The film was interesting.
Heute ist Sonntag.
Today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday.
Heute arbeite ich nicht.
I'm not working today.
I'm not working today.
Ich bleibe zu Hause.
I'm staying at home.
I'm staying at home.
Morgen ist Montag.
Tomorrow is Monday.
Tomorrow is Monday.
Morgen arbeite ich wieder.
Tomorrow I will work again.
Tomorrow I will work again.
Ich arbeite im Büro.
I work at an office.
I work at an office.
Wer ist das?
Who is that?
Who is that?
Das ist Peter.
That is Peter.
That is Peter.
Peter ist Student.
Peter is a student.
Peter is a student.
Wer ist das?
Who is that?
Who is that?
Das ist Martha.
That is Martha.
That is Martha.
Martha ist Sekretärin.
Martha is a secretary.
Martha is a secretary.
Peter und Martha sind Freunde.
Peter and Martha are friends.
Peter and Martha are friends.
Peter ist der Freund von Martha.
Peter is Martha's friend.
Peter is Martha's friend.
Martha ist die Freundin von Peter.
Martha is Peter's friend.
Martha is Peter's friend.